To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss about the problems in which you need to identify what kind of person he is. If you don't know what is the meaning of person and types of person, please refer my previous part videos so that you will have a clear understanding about who is a person and what are the type of persons. Now, but I'm just doing the summarizing the topic. Okay, the person may be an individual. He may be an Hindu undivided by family, and he might be a company, a firm, association of persons, local authority, and an artificial juridical person. So the definition or the meaning of each person I have given in previous part, please refer that. Now, in the following questions, whatever I asked, you need to answer me stating which type of the person is it out of this 7 persons. I'll give you 5 seconds time for each question. You have to put the answer in the comment box. Okay, please be fast. And this might be asked for the section B or section A also. Now, the first question is Dr. Bharat. He is a lecturer in the University of Bangalore. Now, Dr. Bharat is a lecturer in the University of Bangalore. Please put in the comment box what kind of a person he is along with the question number. Please put the question number and put the answer. You have 5 seconds of time. Okay, let us see the answer. The answer is he is an individual. Here, Dr. Bharat. Okay, Dr. Bharat, he is a lecturer, means he is a working professional. He is a lecturer in the University of Bangalore. So, here Dr. Bharat is a person. Okay, and what kind of a person he is? He is an individual. Next, question number 2. Karnataka Open University. Now, please put in the comment box what kind of a person is it? Karnataka Open University. Okay, let us see the answer. It is artificial juridical person. Next, question number 3. Sri Sharath is a director in ABC Electronics Limited. Please put in the comment box which kind of person he is. You have 5 seconds time. Okay, let us see the answer. He is an individual because we are speaking about Sri Sharath. Sharath is a person, is a human, and he is working as a director for which he will be paid a salary. So here we are talking about an individual, that is Sharath. So the type of person is individual. Next, question number 4. ABC Electrical Limited. So you have 5 seconds time. Please put in the comment box what kind of a person is ABC Electrical Limited. Okay, let us see the answer. The answer is a company. So ABC Electrical Limited. So it is a company. What is a company? Company is an artificial person which has been registered under the Indian Companies Act. Okay. So ABC Limited Electrical Limited is a company. Question number 5. Mr. Raju, a sole proprietor of business. Mr. Raju, a sole proprietor of business. Please put in the comment box what kind of an assessee he is. You have 5 seconds of time. Okay, let us see the answer. He is an individual because we are speaking about Mr. Raju. Okay, Mr. Raju is a sole proprietor. Sole proprietorship means the only single person will run the business. So Mr. Raju is one of which he is a sole proprietor. So here we are speaking about only Raju, so he is an individual. Question number 6. Bangalore Municipal Corporation. Bangalore Municipal Corporation. So what kind of a person is it? Please put in the comment box. You have 5 seconds time. Okay, the answer is a local authority. So we have in Bangalore BBMP. Okay, this is also a local authority. So what is this local authority means? like municipality, panchayats, cantonment boards, port trusts, all this comes under the local authority. It's like a local government. So Bangalore Municipal Corporation is a local government. So the type of person is a local authority. Next question number 7. Life Insurance Corporation of India. So LIC of India. So please put in the comment box your answer. You have 5 seconds time. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Okay, let us see the answer. It is a artificial juridical person. As I told you that the statutory corporations are all the artificial juridical person. So LIC is also an statutory corporation. So it comes under artificial juridical person. Next, question number 8. HYC Ladies Association. HYC Ladies Association. Please put in the comment box your answer. Okay, let us see the answer. It's an association of persons. So the question itself gives the answer association. So what is this association means? Where a group of people join for a common cause. Okay. So similarly, this is an association of person. So HYC Ladies Association is the type of person it is, an association of person. Next question number 9. Malleshwaram Cooperative Society. Malleshwaram Cooperative Society. Please put your answers in the comment box. Malleshwaram Cooperative Society. The answer is it's an association of person. As I told you, cooperative society is what? Means group of people come together. They are having a common interest, isn't it? So such they will have certain individuals called as members. Okay. So this is an association of person. So Malleshwaram Cooperative Society is also an example of association of persons. Now we have last question. Raman and Sons. Raman and Sons. What kind of the person they are? Please put in the comment box. Yes, it is a firm. Question itself you can see. Raman and Son. It's a firm. Okay. Raman and Sons. It's a firm because they are registered under the Indian Partnership Act, and they have even mentioned that they are partnership firm. Next. Question number 11. A joint family of Arush, his wife and children. Arush, his wife and children. Please put in the comment box your answers. Okay, let us check the answer. It is Hindu undivided family. See, the question itself very clearly it states Arush, his wife and children. So it's an ancestral business. Okay, so it is an Hindu undivided family. Now the last question, Union Bank of India Limited. Union Bank of India Limited. Let us check the answer. It is a company. Okay, it is a company, is an artificial person registered under Companies Act of how much? Before it was 1956, now it is 2013. Okay, this was all about the problems on types of persons. Hope you have understood all the problems very clearly. If you have any doubt with any of the question, please post that questions, okay, which you have doubt in the comment box, so that we can give a clarification to all your doubts. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button, because whenever I post some new lecture videos, you will get the immediate notification of all my new lectures. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come back with the next video.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.